I get these questions a lot. My vehicles don't require a CDL to operate, so I'm exempt, right? Or what FMCSA rules do I have to follow if I don't have a CDL? And another, I'm not an over-the-road truck driver. What rules apply to me? Well, you may not be exempt at all, or you may be exempt from only some of the rules. Start with the general definition of a CMV in Section 390.5 of the federal regulations and compare that to the definition of a vehicle that requires a CDL in 383.5. If your vehicle meets the general CMV definition, but not the CDL vehicle definition, then it's actually easier to answer what rules you don't have to follow. Often, these vehicles have a weight between 10,001 and 26,000 pounds. The FMCSA sets their expectation for safety in paragraphs A and E of Section 390.3. These paragraphs apply the regs to all carriers, all drivers, and all CMVs, including non-CDL vehicles that transport people or property in interstate commerce. To summarize, paragraph E covers three specific expectations. First, carriers need to know and follow the regulations. Ignorance is no excuse. You must know the rules, all of them. Second, your drivers and employees must be trained and comply with all of the rules that apply to them. When it says employees, that means you and whoever else in your organization touches transportation, including your independent lease drivers. Finally, your vehicles, even vehicles that are only sometimes a commercial motor vehicle, must be maintained in accordance with the rules, including all the performance and design rules. The bottom line, non-CDL and non-trucker does not mean that there's less rules to follow.